$14,095. This is the 2020 Chevrolet Spark LS manual, and this is the most affordable brand new car in US as of today. Actually, come here. I want you to look at the window sticker. Total vehicle price, 2020 model year. The Ford Model T was the first mass-produced car in 1909. The price was about $850. In 1916, they reduced the price to about $400. If you adjust it to inflation today, that would be around $7,000. Today, the price is about double. I'm going to do an overview about this car, then I'm going to tell you some interesting things. What did they do to make it to this price point? Afterwards, I'm going to take it for a test drive, and in the end, I'm going to tell you my opinions on it. First, I want to tell you why I think this is the best time to review this car. This is the fourth generation of Chevrolet Spark. It was introduced in 2016, which means we're going to get a redesign soon. Now, redesign means they're going to add up things, safety features, they're going to make it look better, which also means they're probably going to up the price even more. But we're going to set the bar. This is the most affordable brand new car in US, $14,095. The Nissan Sentra got redesigned. Price went higher, it's about $15,000 something. The Mitsubishi Mirage, just a few $100s more than this. So let's see what's going to happen. Moving to interesting things, the engine, 1.4 4-cylinder, not even in the 3 digits. That's right, not even 100 horsepower, 98. They could do it just 2 more. No, that's all you get, 98. This is the key, and this is the door handle here. And this is the door handle over here. If the car is locked, you want to open it. You open the driver's side. The back seat is still locked. You actually have to open the door and open it this way. Not really very practical. Millennials probably don't even know what this is. Have you ever thought if they still make the handle roller? Well, you got it, they still do. Actually leave the lights on auto on the most affordable brand new car in US. That's not an excuse for any car that's not doing this. And you also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Guys, you don't get that on a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the new SUV. If you buy a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, that's probably the same price as buying 30 of these. Manual adjustable and manual folded side mirrors. I forgot how these things work. It's actually pretty quick. As you can see, there's no buttons over here, as there were none in the steering wheel, and that means there's no power door locks, and you can lock yourself out on this vehicle if you forget the key inside. Now let's open the trunk. Except for you can't. There's no latch in here, and there's actually no trunk release on the front also. The only way to open the trunk is with the key. And when you close it, it locks again. Let's go to the spare tire compartment where we'll see the actual spare tire, and you can see it's not that fancy over here. Hey, get in, let me show you the system. There's no center console, but you do get an armrest. And the cup holder is over here. Storage is over here. You get an old school car charger, USB ports, which is pretty nice. There's no individual lights here up front. There's just one dome light, but that's good since in the back you have none. I'm in the back seat now, and you sit, but you can't relax. Make sure if you buy a Chevrolet Spark, you're not an extrovert. Make sure you don't have more than 3 friends, because in the back there's only 2 seats. But you do get a cup holder and some storage. Take it for a spin. Driving impressions on the Chevrolet Spark 2020 LS manual. It drives, I mean, what do you expect? This is a car to get you from point A to point B. It actually tells you on the screen over there when you should upshift. The car never stalled on me. The transmission is smooth. It's actually pretty easy. I would say first time drivers for manual transmission. This is very, very good. At this price point, I'm surprised. Now that I'm driving, I just noticed, since everything is manual powered here, not electrically powered, I can't adjust the side mirror on the right side, on the passenger side, myself, and it's not on the correct position. Quite frankly, I'm happy with it. Drives nice. Over bumps, it's not that good, but this is a city car, which means you're gonna be going 20 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour. This car is for the guy who finds a job and thinks, oh wait, I have to get a car. It gets me from point A to point B. It doesn't really need a fun car, interesting car. This has some compromises, but I think it's really worth it for the price that it has. I'm happy that this car exists. And Chevrolet, don't make it more expensive. Modern played a very important role in modern civilization. I'm gonna do an overview, and then I'm gonna my hair.
You're good, man. You're good. You're good. I got a lot of ladies anyway.
Okay. Don't try that.